Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Dropbox from iOS app, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Dropbox app on your iOS device. Sign in to your Dropbox account if prompted. Navigate to the Files tab located at the bottom of the screen. Find the folders or files you want to backup. Tap on the three dots next to the file or folder you wish to backup. Select Export from the menu that appears. Choose Save to Files from the Export option. Select the desired destination within your device's file system. Tap Save to initiate the backup process. If you want to backup the entire Dropbox folder, repeat these steps for each folder individually. Once completed, open the Files app on your iOS device to check your backed up files. Navigate to the location where you saved your files to ensure they are there. Your Dropbox content is now safely backed up on your device. Consider regularly updating your backups for security. Remember to connect to Wi-Fi to avoid using cellular data during the process. This ensures all files are transferred without interruptions. That's it. You have successfully backed up your Dropbox from the iOS app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.